Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Tugi, and today I'm going to be presenting you my senior project. And as you all know, my topic is what are the key variables that affected the 2023 layoff of in the tech industry. So I visualized my data I worked with on Streamlit using NumPy and Pandas data structures. So I basically displayed this using Pandas. And as you can see, I have the company name. I got the number of people laid off here, and then which stage the company is in, and how much like millions of dollars they raised, and all the other variables. And these zeros or ones are basically dummy variables, which means it's like a boolean, like true or false, and all these variables help me to run regressions. So I would like to walk you through my regression analysis. And I also built this pretty sweet sidebar, which I pretty like. And so here's my regression analysis. So after running regression on all these variables here that have a p-value of below 0.05, they're all statistically significant, which means they can actually tell like how many people are getting laid off. And as you can see, the R squared value is almost zero point 0.2, which I would say is a pretty good improvement compared to the result I had like a week ago, which is zero point zero 0.01. And I also used this using pandas and NumPy to come up with the tables. And here are the non-significant predictors. And as you can see, these company stages and then these industries really doesn't matter when it comes to predicting how many people got laid off. So the key variables to keep in mind are these things like how much, for example, how much money the company raised, or like is the company's in its IPO, or if it's an industry in consumer or hardware, they're more likely to fire people. And let me show you the scatter plots, which I made possible using this library called matplotlib. And then, although you can't see like perfect relationship here, it's statistically significant. So there's actually a nonlinear relationship between the number of people laid off and like how much the money company raised. So it's basically that for like every dollar the company makes, not the company makes, but like if like the company is big for every dollar, like they're just gonna like lay off more people, which means as a positive relationship. So the bigger the company, the more people they're gonna lay off. But the scatter plot doesn't show that well, which I should improve on in the future. And this is another scatter plot that I came up with that shows the number of people laid off versus the retail industry. So yeah, thank you guys for paying attention for my very first demo, and I hope the second demo will be way better than this.